Hello everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to set custom ringtone in Motorola G87. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.